So this is a quick rundown on how to use the Netcall advice and guidance system. So I'm going to log in to the system, and the first thing it's going to ask me is where do I want to route the calls? My desk, my mobile, or one of the clinic rooms. I'm going to route them to my desk, and I'm logged into cardiology. You'll see all the people who are currently logged in and who are able to receive calls. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how we receive calls from the GP direct. So if I dial the advice and guidance number on my mobile, and you will see in the top right hand corner there will be an incoming call, and you see the calls coming in here. It's diverted to my number, and I can answer the call, and we are connected. So that's how you receive a message from the GP. There's a wrap-up process here which you can close down without pressing that tick. If I now want to route the calls to my mobile, because I'm going to go up and leave my desk, I can go into account, I come down here, and I can route them to my mobile phone. So for SMS messaging, they're answered within the web browser here, and you'll see that the message comes in, a purple icon comes up here, which I can now accept. Press the tick. It'll take me to the conversation. The GP's got the message. Hello, you're through to Dr. John Swinburne. I can then send them a message, and they can reply. You can complete the conversation on SMS. If necessary, it can be copied into EPR. Here's the NHS number of the patient, and then when it's finished, you can mark it as done, and then the conversation is finished. There's a wrap-up, which isn't really necessary, which you can end. Then you're back online, ready to receive other messages or other calls. And when you're finished, and if you're going home or finishing up, you don't want it to be interrupted anymore, make sure you go in here and either click on the cardiologist to log out, and you'll see now on page 2 that I'm no longer available to receive calls or messages, and I can go back in again and make myself active if necessary. So if you want to make an outbound call, for example at home, and you want to hide your own mobile number, rather than dialing 141, you can do so from within the system. You can do this from home or from here. So if I type in my desk number here, I can press the keypad, and if I press call, this will now ring my mobile phone, which is now ringing. If I answer my mobile, it'll tell me it's going to dial an outbound call, and that will now ring my desk phone. So that's how you make an outbound call through the system, and that call will also be recorded, which might be useful